What's up guys, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. This time I'm here at World Balance, here at Acienda Mall or Acienda Outlets because they have 70% up to 70% off sale. So let's go. Before we continue with the video, I just want to remind you guys that we have an ongoing giveaway. This giveaway is a sneaker of your choice. So please check out the mechanics down below so you can participate on this awesome giveaway. So we're inside the World Balance store, outlet store here at Acienda, and they have these LeBron looking sneakers. This is at 1,800 pesos. And then they have these Adidas looking sneakers. And this one is 1,800 pesos. These are kids sneakers at 1,300 pesos. And that's when the security guard of Acienda stopped me from vlogging. Yes guys, I wasn't able to finish this vlog because the security guard of Acienda told me that what I'm doing is prohibited. I asked the security guard since when they have this ruling because as far as I'm concerned, about 4 or 5 months ago, I did a vlog. I did feature it in one of my vlogs and I was vlogging there freely. Apparently, you cannot just simply vlog now at Acienda. So the security guard told me that I could still do a vlog. I could still vlog inside the Acienda. However, I need to get a permit from their administration. So I told the security guard, okay, let's go to the admin office and let me get the permit. So we went there. I told the counter that I would like to do a vlog inside and I would like to get a permit. And then they asked me, what type of vlog do you do? I said I have a sneaker channel and I want to feature all the sneaker shops in their outlet. Then the reception at the counter told me that there's a fee for me to be able to vlog, and that's where they lost me. But to be honest with you, at first I was thinking like, okay, if there's a fee, since I'm already there, let me just pay it and continue with my vlog. But then they told me that the price of 3,000 pesos. Yes, 3,000 pesos, guys. Honestly, I could have paid for it. However, I was just thinking, why would I have to pay them to feature them on my vlog? I mean, isn't it crazy? I'm giving them free publicity and yet they want to charge me for giving that publicity. So I guess that's the end of my Acienda vlogs. I will never ever do a vlog there, and if you guys ever saw me do a vlog at Acienda, it means they paid me, which I don't think it will happen. But anyway, I have decided that I won't support this because I was thinking about it. For bigger YouTubers, they will easily earn back the money they paid from their views. However, for growing YouTubers like us, it's a bit unfair because, to be honest with you, the amount of money we earn from this video is not even enough to pay the toll. What more the transportation, the gas, you need to eat. There's a lot of money involved just to do a vlog on their outlet. But anyway, it's their place, it's their rules. So guys, again, I'm sorry I wasn't able to finish the World Balance outlet vlog. I will just check out other World Balance outlets and feature them for you guys. Before we end this video, I just want to remind you guys that we have a giveaway right now. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, follow us on all our social media accounts, including our Lifestyles and Sneakers Facebook group. Share the video that I'll be posting up here and tag me, Froilan, and Lifestyles and Sneakers on that post. Lastly, you have to watch every single one of our videos from October 1 to October 31 and comment your IG handle on each video. But guys, please do watch every single video, not just simply comment your IG handle on it because it messes up our audience retention. But anyway guys, that's it. a sneaker of your choice, your size, and if you're in Metro Manila, we'll be going with you and you will have a chance to be featured one of our videos. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.